Chagamba. Golola. I am so much excited. My name is Medina, and I am the events manager of this whole event. We are welcoming you, the public, to the grand opening of Ham Stadium that is going to take place this very Saturday on the 1st of June 2024. We appreciate your patience as Ugandans while we were constructing and making this amazing stadium. All Ugandans had something to say. All Ugandans were patient. Those who were not patient said a lot about the stadium that Haji Hafiz Chikundu has taken land for Ugandans and so on. So a lot has been said, and I want to invite you Ugandans on the 1st, and that is Saturday, to come and witness the long-awaited opening of this stadium. We are going to have very many events on that very day. I want to assure you that it's going to be an event-packed day. We have actually called it a sports buffet because in this very stadium, we are going to have netball, basketball, 2 games of football, one at 4 p.m. and one at 7 p.m. That will show you the capacity of this stadium to hold night events. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to the very big fight that we are all here to witness today. After the 9 p.m. football match, that will be Villa and Express, we are going to have fights over ekikonde. We are going to start with ladies, and that is Zahara, one on my right, with the one Flavia on my left. These are 2 amazing ladies that are waiting to show you what they've got. The decision will be for you, the viewers, that will be here on the 1st of June. We are going to have kickboxing, boxing, and this is between Abbas on my left and a one Mutabani was Zebra on my right here. So thereafter, we shall have the long-awaited unfinished business in between Golola and Ssemata. As an event manager, I am here to assure you and reaffirm about the security of this place on that day. I know the Nachibugo, all of us used to know then, it is completely different. We have had enough time to prepare for this. We have had enough time to prepare for this event, to do a dot plan of this place, to allocate stewards, to get crowd managers, to get traffic and parking managers, and very many more. We have security. We are going to block a few of the roads that connect to this stadium on that day, and we shall have police vans and police itself, including military, out there to guide ticket holders to this place, to ensure that you coming to this stadium to and from is completely guarded. So Ugandans, I want to to assure you that the long-awaited day of the grand opening of the Ham Stadium National Football Memorial Ground is this Saturday, and we are purely excited and very prepared